The last major labor-intensive manufacturing process for mixed technology circuit boards is the soldering of through-hole components. This step is often difficult, tedious, and damaging, and it is always expensive. Apply flux and solder in a precise, repeatable process, while outperforming up to 5 operators, and pay for itself in a matter of months. Boards as large as 18 inches by 24 inches can be fluxed and soldered in one operation. Any through-hole or leaded component that is soldered by hand can be soldered more efficiently on the KISS machines, with efficiency of 4 to 6 times faster than can be done by the operator, with repeatable high-quality solder joints simply not achievable by hand. You can personalize the time temperature profile. That's the time that the individual pins are under solder to achieve full barrel fill and topside fillets. Keep away refers to the air gap between the component you want to solder and the pad of the adjacent component that you don't want to solder. In most cases, the KISS machine is able to get within 40 thousandths, 1 millimeter of keep away area. The mini solder wave has enormous thermal energy as compared to a solder iron, allowing for instant topside fillets on these brass B and C connectors, compared to soldering with an iron where the whole body of the connector needs to be heated up. ACE is well adapted and very capable to provide custom operations and custom solutions for the most demanding and high volume soldering operations. These automotive ignition switch components needed a complete cycle time of less than 8 seconds. With custom designed tooling and solder nozzle, ACE was able to approach less than 5 seconds. These assemblies, as soldered to the circuit board, required a stack tolerance within 5 thousandths of an inch and a productivity rate of less than 6 seconds apart. One operator was able to populate the fixture, load the machine, and allow the machine to operate for a total runtime of less than 4.5 seconds per component. Where solder joints are hard to reach, ACE will make extra long nozzles or special design nozzles to fit the task, and can do so overnight if necessary. The junction on these Hall effect sensors on these encoders could not exceed 80 degrees C. The ACE process was so rapid that the junction temperature only rose 10 degrees C. Connectors on LED signs can be hard to access. Again, the KISS machines have no problem. Another solid brass body being soldered virtually instantly. Can you imagine trying to do this with a hand soldering iron? As long as there's line-of-sight access and reasonable keep-away distance, the selective soldering process lends itself to soldering any site, any orientation, anywhere on the board. There's approximately 900 pins being soldered in one motion in this operation with good topside fillets. The pins being soldered are almost touching the inside connectors, making it very difficult, but with a special nozzle, ACE was able to do it. Again, I have to say that the selective soldering process lends itself nicely to anything that can be soldered by hand. We welcome you to challenge us by sending us a board you're currently hand soldering. We'll process it on the KISS machine, and I think you'll be surprised at the speed and the quality of the results.